What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, back today with another video. It is Saturday morning. I'm about to cook breakfast for the crew. I'm using this cinnamon toast crunch CINNADUST seasoning blend that I purchased from the store the other day. This is my first time using this, so I'm gonna see what it do. So I'm using Texas toast, eggs, and milk, and that's about it. Hopefully with this CINNADUST it's sweet enough and I don't have to add my own sugar and cinnamon. So let's go ahead and get started. I tried to sit y'all up on a tripod, but the way my tripod is really kind of short, so it wasn't gonna work out. And everybody's asleep except Channing, and he's over there watching PJ Masks because I know y'all hear it in the background. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and crack the eggs, and then I'll be back. So I'm gonna try to crack these eggs with one hand. No, come over here. Use both hands, boy. in the bowl. Ooh. Okay. I'll go ahead and take over. So let's see. Yeah. Hold on, wait. I'll let you do the last one. Yeah.
Same thing. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Give me this. Alrighty then. Go get some paper towels. No, go get some paper towels. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I had to make sure because it was like a little piece of shell, so I had to get that out.
Mama.
So I'm gonna go ahead and yes, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk the eggs. I do have a whisk, but I'm using a fork right now.
We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay tomorrow with me.
It looks like oranges.
You wanna drink it?
No.
No, okay.
It looks like oranges, but I want to drink it, but I don't want to. It looks like oranges, but I don't want to.
Okay, so we're going to add
The milk?
yes.
Mama?
And the CINNADUST is going to be the last thing that we put in.
Mommy?
Yes.
I made my own cereal.
Did you really? Did you really? Good.
It's not the waves.
No, it's not. And I'm going to use my griddle to cook the French toast.
Hi y'all, you used to watch this in your room.
Can you turn it down some, please? Thank you. So now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle the CINNADUST in here. We're going to put it inside of here, and we're going to also put it on top once we're done with the, cooking the French toast. So a little more. And it does taste like cinnamon toast crunch. I did taste a little. I put a little in my hand and I tasted. Alrighty.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the morning. Stay in the morning with me.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add the French toast.
Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
So we're done.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the morning.